I believe in thermodynamics. Now, I know we are all scientists here. We can all agree that thermodynamics exists. But do you think it's magic? I do. Okay, so I'm terrible at math. Statistical mechanics is like a bunch of sorcery to me. However, conceptually, it has me sing and handle. Consider diffusion. Where would life be without diffusion? Nowhere. Very early embryos are ruled by this careful symphony of diffusing mRNAs. Think about an actin filament, where this long protein polymer that drives cell growth and helps cells move around, which is it relies on concentration gradients of its monomer to change length. I particularly marvel at molecules that phase separate, developing these highly local and specific environments and creating incredibly steep gradients in the process. And this is how DNA is transcribed, one of the most fundamental processes in the cell. How extraordinary, how magical is that? I take an almost maternal pride in life. And in the same moment, I feel giddy with Schadenfreude. Life flaunts thermodynamics, or at least it tries to. Proteins fold. What? Lipids assemble into bilayers. Crazy. Protons are pumped across membranes and the energy is captured in phosphate bonds. Amazing. Waste is tagged, genes are transcribed at the right time in the right place, tissues choreograph the line dance of multicellular living. Have we, electrified beings of aqueous chemistry, achieved thermodynamic escape velocity? Oh, hell no. We are as bound by it as pebbles in a river that distribute by size. Every piece of order that is created increases the disorder of the universe. While life defies entropy in its minutiae, it yet remains entirely beholden to it. Sometimes I look up into the sky and the clouds form lines and ridges, the way that sand does on a beach as the tide recedes. I look down from an airplane and I notice the same ripples in the land, but on a scale so vast that they are invisible from the ground. I think of how similar these physical processes are, and I marvel that a comparatively small number of rules governs a seemingly infinite number of possibilities. I remember when I was 19, standing on a beach in Boston, and I noticed this, and I told the guy that I was dating, and he just brushed me off. It took me many years to learn to break up with people like that before they broke up with me, and many more to learn anything about thermodynamics. Somehow I came full circle, and now my fiance is the only reason I passed my thermodynamic class during my biochem degree. Somehow, sorry, but in the intervening time, I would remember that moment of clarity and the hot, dusty blue of the sky, and I'd find peace. The beauty and simplicity of thermodynamics enthralls me, and its universality enchants me, and I adore the plucky ways that life has found to exploit such a vast and unsentimental set of processes. Above all, I believe that it's at the heart of almost any answer, even those as personal and insignificant as love. Thank you.